His Excellency. I'm moving into George Washington Hall, and I wanted to learn about George Washington, a biography. Tell me how long the train's been gone, or any of James Baldwin's books, because they really opened up the possibility of this world as a black gay man, and were beautifully written. New York Times. My couscousier up there, which is beautiful. Northern Africa, great design, and I've used it probably twice, but I just love the name and I love the design of it. I learned to cook dinner rolls, yeast dinner rolls, and to grill baby back ribs, which I'd never done before. Give yourself room to think by stopping thinking. Go do something that's totally unrelated, exercise or cook or go to a movie, and then come back. Never confuse a clear vision with a short distance. NPR. I've thought about that. I'm thinking about a course on disparities in health. That it's got a beautiful campus and lots of really talented students. Guess.